이야기는 어떤 사람과 저속한 대화를 나누고 있는 누군가의 모습으로 시작합니다.
That is so good. Oh, I want more. Jeff?
Haley.
We like so sophisticated when we met.
Little hard to do that with your mouth full of...
So, kind of what I was thinking.
Sorry? Well, I think it's better to meet people online first sometimes.
그들은 온라인상에서 지속적으로 서로에게 호감을 표시했으며 이번에 처음으로 얼굴을 마주한 것이었죠.
Two Ganeshes?
Now, what's a Ganesh?
You're with a woman of the world to introduce you to these things. I'm reading this book about Gene Seberg. And plus, I'm reading Romeo and Juliet. I figured I could have it done before the school year starts. So.
놀라운 것은 그녀의 나이가 고작 14살이란 것이었고 제프 역시 이를 알고도 그녀를 만났다는 사실이었습니다.
You know, well, you look older than you are. You certainly act older than you are.
Really?
Yeah, I was expecting someone not as impressive.
Me too.
물론 그들이 어떤 행동을 하는 것은 아니었지만 남들이 보기에는 확실히 껄끄러운 장면이었죠.
Oh, and what have you waited for recently?
Well, I'm gonna have to wait 4 years for you. Look, I have to send it. It's not like I can just take you over to my house.
Okay, now don't peek.
다만 헤일리는 나이 같은 것을 전혀 신경 쓰지 않았으며 어른스러운 제프에게 홀딱 반해버린 것 같았습니다.
You said that it would be insane for me to come over, and thus, I have to come over.
그렇게 그녀는 그의 차에 아무 생각 없이 올라타면서 그저 현재 느끼고 있는 행복을 즐겼죠.
So hot. Healthy dude, huh?
I try.
Living longer's overrated.
Well, you don't want to reach a ripe old age?
Right. Useless to me. I bet these babes got some dirt on you.
Those are models.
제프는 나름 유명한 사진작가였으며 자신의 집을 스튜디오로 꾸며서 겉보기에는 멋들어진 작업실을 만들었습니다.
Beautiful woman who's working so hard to look good for you.
I'm compensated for my troubles. Don't worry about it.
But I like worrying about you.
헤일리는 벽에 걸려있는 여성 모델들의 사진을 보며 그에게 질투를 느꼈는지 점차 말이 많아졌죠.
You're wondering how many of these models I've done it with.
How many?
None of them.
Oh, get out.
No, they're underage mostly. Very aware of the legal boundaries. I have to be.
Right. Would like to do them.
There's just one that I slept with. When we were both young.
어린 나이였음에도 그녀는 상당히 대담한 성격을 통해서 적극적으로 제프에게 추파를 던졌습니다.
Learned everything I knew practicing on her.
And that date, well, I'm sorry, it's...
She actually signed with Ford right after this shoot.
She is like on magazine covers. I know her. You still love her. No. And we can see what you can bring out in me.
They have to be willing to open up. Let's try something.
Okay.
그녀를 위해서 사진을 찍어주려던 그때 마치 이상한 것이라도 먹은 것처럼 제프의 눈앞이 흐릿해졌죠.
Just be yourself. Just be open.
Jeff, I don't...
Sit down! I don't feel so good.
그가 정신을 차리자마자 목격한 것은 묶여있는 자신의 양팔과 이전과 달리 사뭇 진지해 보였던 헤일리의 표정이었습니다.
Oh, hey, just, tell me when you're ready. I mean, I've never really done that before, and, oh, well, I swiped this for my dad. It's real water. Scout's honor.
왜인지는 모르겠지만 헤일리는 특별한 감정을 바탕으로 음료수에 불순물을 섞었던 것 같았죠.
Joke?
All right, let me
Patience.
Let me go. Let me go.
Patience.
Let me go.
Anything in here I should know about? Living in a house filled with pictures of half-naked teenage girls.
심지어 제프가 이전부터 어린 여자들을 노렸다는 것과 같은 그의 모든 행적들을 파악하고 있었습니다.
Technically, I could let you scream your fucking brains out and no one is gonna hear you. Or next time, it's gonna be bleach, okay?
You've been stalking me?
You have been stalking me. And then as soon as you found out they were any bit older than me, you would just drop them like that.
I didn't talk to the others because they were boring.
You know, actually, it's kind of funny.
Does that deserve being tied up and tortured?
Is this torture to you? This is nothing.
여러 가지 책을 읽으면서 지식이 풍부했던 헤일리는 자신이 얻은 정보를 토대로 무언가를 실험하고 싶었던 것 같았죠.
Yeah, what makes a kid who's barely passed her first period worth all this? You really got to start to wonder when. Cameras, computers, they let you hide, don't they?
상황이 심각해지고 있다는 것을 알게 된 제프는 자신이 범죄자가 아니라는 것을 알리기 위해 열변을 토합니다.
And that makes me stupid, but I'm not a pedophile. Don't.
You can save yourself so much time by I'm gonna do what I want, Jeff.
다만 헤일리는 이에 전혀 아랑곳하지 않았으며 집에 있는 증거들을 토대로 그가 왜 아동과 관련된 괴물인지 알려주기 시작했죠.
Nothing's yours when you invite a teenager into your home. Don't love her anymore, huh? That explains why you save these.
All right, honestly. Someday I thought about sending them to her.
A little angry, are we? She broke your heart and you haven't gotten over it. You're just not the person I thought you were.
You don't have to read it. I know what it says.
헤일리는 집안에 있는 증거들을 그의 눈앞에 들이대면서 그가 범죄자임을 증명하는 확실한 무언가를 끄집어내려 했습니다.
Your download manager says you pulled some photos off the net. Yeah, a smart guy doesn't leave photos on his computer. So where do you put the stuff that you,
Why would I need a hiding place?
All guys, they have porn at least somewhere in their crib. But I bet they're not your stroke shots. Isn't that right, Jeff?
온 집안을 돌아다니면서 음란물을 찾아다니는 그녀를 보며 제프는 마치 숨기는 것이 있는 것처럼 초조해졌죠.
Look at how he's sweating. Does this worry you, Jeff? I'm gonna figure it out, so you might as well just tell me.
그녀가 발견한 의문의 상자가 마음에 걸렸던 것인지 그는 어떻게든 대화로 이를 해결하려 했습니다.
You're so mad because they ignore you? But they do love you, and they pay for your existence.
I'm not angry at them.
No, absolutely not. So you find a guy, an older guy, but you gotta let that anger out somehow. And I seem like a good target. I get it.
up. Seriously, just shut up. You know nothing about me.
다만 헤일리는 어린 나이답지 않은 넉살을 보이며 자넬이라는 여성의 정보를 하나하나 기입하기 시작했죠.
Did you seriously think that was gonna work? Janelle's birthday. Janelle's phone number.
Try every possible combination of numbers.
Or I could just try March 19th. What's this, Jeff? You are Lensman 319 after all.
그의 첫사랑이었다는 자넬이라는 소녀의 얘기가 나오자마자 제프는 격정적으로 그녀에게 반감을 드러냈습니다.
What's so special about these photos? This is officially sick. What makes this girl so special?
Haley.
지금의 상황을 벗어나기 위해서 최선을 다했지만 헤일리 역시 대담한 행동을 보일 만큼 만만하게 볼 수 없었죠.
Welcome back.
또다시 그녀는 제프를 기절시키고서 그의 입에서 진술이 나오기를 기다렸습니다.
I did meet Donna for coffee. I took a shot of her to make her happy. Look at her. She's fully dressed. You can see the coffee shop behind her.
See you later, kid. It's been fun. You could have thrown this away. You didn't.
여태까지 그녀가 내뱉었던 언행을 분석하자면 헤일리는 아동에게 나쁜 행동을 벌이는 것에 대해 엄청난 반감이 있는 듯했죠.
It's not me.
Maybe not, but the way you let me get drunk. Everybody'll be safer if I do a little preventive maintenance.
그가 범죄자라는 것을 확신한 그녀는 똑같은 일이 벌어지는 것을 막기 위해서 과감한 선택을 하려 합니다.
Dear Janelle, my name is Haley Stark. I hope you don't. So cute, and well, he seems to really like me. And here I put in a little smiley face icon. Am I insane? Is Jeff? Her name is Donna Mauer.
낱낱이 까발려지고 있는 그의 행적 때문에 어떤 말을 하더라도 그녀에게는 헛소리로 들릴 뿐이었죠.
If you cut me in any way, you won't forget it. The things you do wrong, they haunt you. You want to remember this day when you're with a guy, on a date, on your wedding night? Don't do that to yourself.
그녀를 위한 얘기라고는 하지만 오로지 현재의 상황을 모면하기 위한 변명으로 들렸던 것이었습니다.
Are good and numb, aren't you?
Off.
Seriously, it turns out that castration is like the easiest surgical procedure around. No more wiggling. You know what? I need to sterilize this before we start.
곧 있으면 자신의 중요한 부위가 잘릴 판국이었기에 그녀가 자리를 비운 사이 제프는 필사적으로 저항하죠.
Can I call someone for you? Is that what you... I thought it would be fun to see how far you could get. I love that you have all this stuff because, like, this way you can watch, you know?
I stayed one summer with my Aunt Denise and her kids. And the littlest one, the daughter, Linny, she loved me. So she had this game.
These things really stick.
모든 것을 포기한 것처럼 이전에 벌였던 끔찍한 행동을 고백하지만 헤일리는 그저 수술을 준비할 뿐이었습니다.
You could call the cops. I'll say I did whatever you want. Anything, please. Please don't do this.
뭐든지 한다는 그의 말에 혹한 그녀는 잠시 행동을 멈추고 얘기를 들어보기로 하는데
I could send it right now, pack up and go.
God damn it, get the f off of me! Please!
더 들어볼 것이 없다고 판단한 헤일리는 메스를 들고서 차분하게 그의 중요 부위를 절개하죠.
Steady hand, okay? Do you feel that? Wow. That Aunt Denise story very well.
원시적인 방법으로 마취하긴 했지만 제프는 아래에서 험한 일이 일어나고 있다는 생각에 정신을 차리지 못했습니다.
Why don't we just stay right, okay? So just lie there with me. Look, this is for the best, all right? All right. I'd cancel any appointments you have in the next few days because you're gonna be sorer than you've ever been before.
결국 수술을 마친 그녀는 그저 그를 죽일 생각이 아니라 천천히 고통스럽게 만들 생각인 것 같았죠.
What should we do with them? I suggest you track down the guy who did, because it's kind of pitiful now, aren't you? I'll go take a shower, and then I'll be out of your life, okay? You don't get off that easy, Jeff.
이대로 물러난다고 말하긴 했으나 그녀가 돌아와서 무슨 행동을 할지 두려웠던 제프.
I'm all here. I'm all here.
Why, you can see it.
최선을 다해서 빠져나온 그는 경찰에 신고하는 것이 아니라 자신이 당한 행동을 보복할 생각이었습니다. 다만 마치 이것까지 예상했다는 것처럼 헤일리는 전기 충격기를 통해서 다시 그를 잠재워버리죠. 대충 작업을 마무리한 그녀는 현장을 정리하면서 태연하게 친구와 전화를 합니다.
Look, I'm gonna be done like so much sooner than I thought. So do you want to catch a movie or something? You're acquainted with a photographer, one Jeffrey Culver. Is it possible that you can assist us?
사악한 범죄자를 이 세상에서 지워버리기 위해 그녀는 그의 끝을 준비하기 시작했죠.
Steady.
도망갈 기회가 있었지만 그녀를 공격하려 한 것은 그의 선택이었기에 결국 그가 자초한 일이었습니다.
One that you just had to pop.
다만 성인 남성의 힘을 무시한 탓인지 원래 계획했던 것과는 다른 상황으로 흘러가죠.
You didn't leave, did you?
입장이 완전히 뒤바뀌었다고 생각한 제프는 사악한 악의를 드러내며 자신만만하게 그녀를 찾았습니다.
You're just like her. You're just like her. You're all just like her. Really? Thank you. Thank you. This is who I am. Thank you.
What took you so long?
You know how to use that, huh?
honor student, remember?
Tell me you're not gonna shoot me!
It's not me you have to worry about. It's Janelle. I called her. How far does she live, Jeff?
제프는 자신의 범죄를 완벽히 숨겼다는 생각으로 살아왔으며 자기가 죽인 피해자의 가족의 일을 알게 되는 것이 두려웠죠.
I am every little girl. Screwed. Killed. She's gonna find it, Jeff. Some sad man. Some sad man who she never should have left. Don't worry. I promise. I'll take care of it all. Or not.
결국 스스로 죽음을 선택한 그를 보면서 뿌듯한 표정을 짓는 헤일리의 모습을 마지막으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 범죄자를 처벌하는 사적 제재에 관련된 질문을 던지는 의미심장한 스릴러 영화 하드캔디였습니다.